In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to make it easier for visitors to contact you, request information, or send inquiries directly through your website, adding a contact form is a great option. The good news is that Hostinger Website Builder makes this process very simple, and you can do it in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. This is where you'll manage the content and design of your site, so make sure you choose the correct project before moving forward. After that, click on Website to access your site settings and editing options. From there, select Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can make visual changes to your pages without needing any coding. Give the editor a moment to load fully so you can clearly see your current website layout. Now that you're inside the editor, the next step is to click Add Section. This option allows you to insert new content blocks into your page, which is perfect when you want to add something like a contact area. When the section library opens, look for the Contact Form category. Click on it and you'll see a variety of layouts available. At this point, feel free to choose the layout that best matches the style of your website. Some designs may be more minimal, while others include extra text, images, or spacing. Pick the one that fits your page and the experience you want visitors to have. Once you've found the layout you like, click it to add it to your site. After the form appears on your page, you can customize everything to match your brand and your needs. You can adjust the text, change headings, and update the form fields depending on the kind of information you want people to submit. You may also want to review the spacing, colors, and overall appearance so the form blends naturally with the rest of your website. Take a moment to preview how the section looks on the page. A clean and easy-to-read form can make a big difference in encouraging visitors to actually use it. If needed, make small adjustments until everything looks polished and professional. And that's it. Once your form is added and customized, your website will be much better prepared to receive messages from visitors in a simple and organized way.